Hello everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about the new club kits from Spellbinders for January 2026. There are some changes happening right now, changes happening to the Spellbinders clubs. Some clubs are going away, some clubs are merging. The Deluxe Caboodle Value Club membership is changing slightly. And I want to make sure that I let you know about all of these changes. You can also read about them probably on the Spellbinders website. I'm sure they're posted somewhere. I do have projects created with the January clubs. I have 4 cards to share with you today, as always, with a small die, with a large die, and then with a bonus item for the Deluxe Caboodle. But again, it's no longer called the Deluxe Caboodle. More about that in a second. Also, as some of you know, some of you might not know, I film tutorials, club tutorials for the Spellbinders website. I used to do all club video tutorials. I now only do a couple of them. So the small die, the large die, and then the bonus item. And the cards that I'll be showing you here in this video, you can find video tutorials for these cards on the Spellbinders YouTube channel. They're detailed tutorials if you'd like to check them out. So what are the changes? First of all, the Wax Seal Club is going away. Unfortunately, that club did not seem popular. It's a little different than the regular card making, than the die cutting, the foiling, the better pressing. So it wasn't just as popular, and therefore it is now retired. Personally, I really loved the Wax Seal Club, or the Wax Seal products, but I'm guilty of not using those products as often as I would like. I would only use the Wax Seal products when I wrap gifts or make little gift tags. So usually around Christmas time, or when I'm wrapping a birthday gift. I do have a nice little collection of wax seals that I love to use, and I have them stored in these little containers. These are wax seals from over the years from Spellbinders. These are not necessarily club wax seals, but just some wax seal designs from Spellbinders that I love and use the most. So the Wax Seal Club is going away. Next, the Better Press Club and the Glimmer Club are now merging into one club, and I believe that one is going to be called Press and Foil Club. So there's going to be a Better Press plate and a roll of foil included in that club, or some other product that makes sense, that complements that plate. The Better Press plate, I mean. Because with a Better Press plate, you can not only press, you can also foil. So that kind of makes sense to just have one club and also a better club that is designed better. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. There's now a new name to the Deluxe Caboodle, or the One and All bundle. This is now called All Clubs Crate. I'll probably keep calling it the Deluxe Caboodle for some time until I get used to the new name, the All Clubs Crate. Okay, what else is new? I have an FAQ opened here, and I'm trying to read the FAQ real quick to make sure I don't miss anything. So if you guys were subscribed to both Better Press Club and Glimmer Club, your subscription is going to merge automatically. You don't have to do anything. It's going to merge automatically, and it's just going to be one. So if you were subscribed to both of these, it will merge and be one Press and Foil Club subscription. If you were subscribed to either Better Press or Glimmer Club, again, the transcription will update, and it is now going to be called the Press and Foil Club. Now the All Clubs Crate is the new name for the Deluxe Caboodle One and All option. The name reflects that the subscription includes every monthly club, plus exclusive products and premium member benefits. I feel like this is kind of something new, and you will understand why this is new in just a minute. So the All Clubs Crate members will receive all monthly club products. So that's small die, large die, stitching die, clear Stampin' die, Better Press and Foil, Stencil, And I believe that's it. So these are the clubs. Then you'll also receive a crate exclusive die or press and foil plate, a coordinating paper pack, 10 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock, as well as a monthly bonus item, and then expanded benefits, including 15% everyday discount, one free shipping coupon per month, so you don't have to meet the minimum threshold to get free shipping. You have a coupon that you can use once a month. You also get early access to new releases, priority event registration, so things like, the Weekender, you'll get a priority registration for that to make sure it doesn't, sometimes events sell out, and you want to be among the first people to register to make sure you reserve your spot. And also it says exclusive promotions. Pricing remains unchanged. So the price of the Deluxe Caboodle or the All Clubs crate is going to be the same. The number of clubs goes down, but there are other benefits or bonuses added to the club, to make it a very good value. The only thing I don't have here to show you is the coordinating paper pack, the 10 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock, but everything else I do have, and I'm super excited to show you. So let me quickly show you the clubs, the cards that I created with the clubs if I have them, and then I'll show you the bonus items as well. Okay, so this is, first up, we have the small die of the month. This is the card that I created with the small die. I do have another video, a quick one. It just focuses in depth on this die set because it's a really cool die set, and I talk a little bit more about this card. So this die set, it's like a two-part die set. First, you have this fantastic shape that you can use to create A2 cards because this is sized for A2, and then what's even cooler, you have a whole bunch of flowers. And who doesn't love flowers? We all do. So this is the small die. Next, let me put this away. Next, we have, this is the large die of the month. And this is, again, very, very cool. We have this large postal frame die. And this is, again, size for A2. And in addition to that, we have a whole bunch of other elements. We have this large floral cluster. Let me, I have a couple of die cuts that I started working on but haven't used on a card. So here is this large floral cluster, like a row of daisies, and this is sized to be 4¼ inches long. So it can be used on a regular card. Doesn't have to go together with the postage frame. And you also get an additional flower, this one. So this is nice and large. And again, you can use these differently. And then you have two hummingbird dies that you can use with this or separately. Now the postage stamp die, again, can be used alone, can be used with other things you have in your stash. You can create a whole bunch of different scenes. It can be a die cut scene, a stamped scene, a foiled scene, a stenciled theme. Anyhow, this is just a base, and what you do inside that base is completely up to you. So this is, like, this die set has really nice value, I think, because you have two pieces to the set. You have the base die that can be used with many, many, many other things you already have in your stash. And then you have these beautiful florals and the birds that, again, you can use with the main set or separately. So I really, really like the large die. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. Next, okay, I'm not going to show you this just yet. We'll get back to this in a second. So next we have the stitching die of the month. I don't have a video with this or a project with this, but this is a beautiful butterfly. I'll pop an image here for you guys so you can see what it is. I didn't have a chance to cut it and stitch it, but I have seen examples with this die set, and they are just drop gorgeous. So a beautiful, beautiful die set. Okay, next we have the stencil of the month. And again, I don't have a card with it, but I'll pop an image here so you can see what this is. This is a beautiful floral stencil set. You have several layers. Let's see how many layers you have. So this is layer 1, layer 2. layer, okay, so layer 3 and layer 4 are on the same sheet. Then you have layer 5 and layer 6. So this creates a beautiful background with, they kind of look like poppies to me on a stem. Very pretty. So this is the stencil of the month. Next we have the stamp of the month and the die set. I feel like I have the die set somewhere. The coordinating dies, oh, here they are. So the coordinating dies to cut these sentiments out. And by the way, this is another change that is coming in 2026. Before, you were able to purchase just the stamp set or the stamp set and the die set. So we had this CSOM, so that was the clear stamp of the month. And then we had the CDOM, the clear stamp and die of the month. Moving forward, we're just going to have one. So the CDOM, the clear stamp and die. You won't be able to purchase the stamp separately. You'll only be able to purchase the stamp with the die. And honestly, it really makes a lot more sense to get the stamp set with the die set, because dies always let you do so much more with your dies or with your stamps. So this is the stamp set, and this is a fun one because you have cool little sentiments. You have hello, best, for you, thank you, best wishes, smile, and then little sentiments that read, you're one of a kind, wishing you the best year, hope this card brightens your day, and have a nice day. So really nice everyday sentiments. Then we have the 2 embossing folders, the 2D embossing folder and the 3D embossing folder. And as always, these are nice and large. So they measure 5.5 by 8.5 inches, work for all sorts of card sizes. Love the embossing folders because they always let you create beautiful texture on your cards. So these are the embossing folders. Next, we have the Press and Foil Club. This one this month is absolutely stunning. I love it. Okay, so here's the card that I created using this club plus one of the bonus items. So the bonus item is this one. So this is only included in the Deluxe Caboodle membership or the All Clubs Create membership. This is a set of stencils to color the bird, to color the leaves, and to color the flowers. The Press and Foil Club, you have the background plate. You do have a registration template if you need it, so you can have this centered on your panel. I didn't need to use the template because I was foiling, but if you are pressing, the template is super helpful. So you have the background plate. You also have 4 sentiments in here, or maybe it's 5. 1, 2, 3, no, 4. So we have 4 sentiments. Greetings by post, miss you, just because, and a first class hello. Very beautiful sentiments. And then of course there is a coordinating die to cut them out. So this is the Press and Foil Club. And then the bonus item is a set of stencils. There are 2 stencil sheets, but several layers on each sheet. And these let you color, ink blend your beautiful bird on a branch. I just absolutely love this. There is a video for this card on the Spellbinders YouTube channel, so check it out if you want to know more about how I made this card. And then the last but not least, this is the exclusive die set bonus that is also included in the Deluxe Caboodle or the All Clubs Create membership. And this is the card that I created using this die set. I did make it into a shaped card. So beautiful. I've missed creating with dies like this. You know, we haven't had these beautiful ornate frames in a very, very long time. And I'm kind of happy to see these making a small comeback. And then again, we have some beautiful florals that can be added onto the frame or can be used separately. So that's a quick overview of the club changes and the January clubs from Spellbinders. Personally, I am very excited. You know, changes are always nice. Improvements are always nice. It's nice to see that Spellbinders is listening to the customers. They are trying to make things better for us, for, you know, the consumers. They're trying to make sure that we're happy with the products. And as always, the product designs are always, always, always top notch. So that's it for me for today. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm sure you do have questions. And if I'm able, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments. Thanks again for joining me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you again next time.